Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check PC info in Windows 11. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to see all of your information about your PC, including your RAM, your software, and anything you want to, you just have to simply go to your settings app. Not to do that, press the window button from your keyboard and here just simply search for settings. Open the settings app and in settings just select system from here. Select system. Scroll down till the end and you must see the option of about. Just select about option. And here you'll see all the information about your PC including storage, graphic card, installed RAM, your processor, and also including your Windows. So you can see that the Windows 11 home, the version, your installing date, your operating system build, your experience, and here you must see your device specification and device information. You can also tap on this copy option to copy the info to your clipboard. So once you have copied, you can easily paste them anywhere which you want to send. Here's your device name, your processor, your installed RAM, your device ID, your product ID, your system type, and your pen and touch. So in this way, you can easily see your about information of your PC in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.